Hey everyone, Chris here, one of your Bildr experts, and today I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can style your applications 10 times faster in Bildr. What I notice is that a lot of people struggle with the logic building in Bildr, but what takes them even longer, even for the people who are experienced with web development principles, is styling their applications. So, the first thing that I want to show you is a native Bildr feature, which is the AI styling. I'm going to go into this project here that I'm working on, and you can do this whether you are creating a class or just using the inline styles. The only thing you have to do is click, go to all properties, and then select Style AI. Then you describe how you want the element to look. So, for example, the background color will be, and I will select a value, and the height will be the screen height. And so let's see what that gives me. And just like that, I have the background color that I wanted, and it's the full height of the screen. I want the contents this container to be centered and then let's see, boom, I've styled my page. And I didn't have to think about it too much or really try to play with the properties. So this really benefits anyone, but it more so benefits people who are not very familiar with CSS. I'll clear this to talk about the next thing. So the next thing you can do is copy your styles from Figma. For those of you who are a little more design savvy and you've designed these applications in Figma, you can take styles from those. Only thing you have to do is just toggle the dev mode, select whatever element, and then copy the desired styles. So for example, I'm going to copy this to put my background color back. And so it works just like that. So for those of you who are designing before you build in Bildr, this will be great because it gives you a leg up on that styling. So that's that. The next thing that I want to talk to everyone about is using CSS libraries and frameworks. These will give you a tremendous leg up. A lot of them provide pre-styled classes and some components for you to, hit the ground running. A more component-focused one is Bootstrap. And you can go to getbootstrap.com and go to their Get Started, and you'll get instructions on how you can get started using this. These give you a lot of, again, pre-style classes for like containers, grids, columns, forms, and other components that you'll need to build out your applications and websites. Now, my personal favorite and a favorite of a lot of developers is Tailwind. See, while Tailwind is not component focused, it does give you the ability to style your elements without having to go into like a style sheet or even like try to write these classes in Bildr. And another thing, it provides rapid iteration because you don't have to, worry about like, oh, I, spent all this time styling this, but now I need to change it and I don't want to go and keep going back and forth into the styles. Only thing you have to do is just take out what you don't need and then replace it with another class. So to give you an example, if you want to use Tailwind, only thing you have to do is go into your page headers, and this is not just specific to Tailwind. This is for Bootstrap or any other CSS framework or library that you choose. And only thing you have to do is just install whatever like CDN script or style sheet link that they give you. And that's basically it. And then you just refresh. So to show you what I mean with Tailwind, I can just go with full, let's see, min height is 100H, and just like that, VG, and then go. All right, flex. I believe it's justify center, and then items center, and I have styled this page in a relatively short amount of time. So using the CSS frameworks and libraries is more for people who are experienced with CSS, because it'll just allow you just to kind of style just really rapidly and, not have to worry about, oh, I gotta now just like remove these classes or clean this up. You just put in the classes that you want and move on to the next thing. But even if you're not as experienced with CSS, you can still get some utility out of this. So, in short, that was 3 ways that you can 10x your styling speed in Bildr. That's what I wanted to show you, and I hope that you guys really get some use out of this. Have fun and happy holidays.